How to go live with someone on TikTok PC. So if you want to go live with someone on TikTok live on PC, then first you just need to simply open up your TikTok live application or TikTok live studio. Go with yes and launch your application. Once you launch, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now here on the left, you will have tools option, right? So under tools, you will have an option of play together, or you may have an option of multi-guest option. You just need to simply click on the multi-guest option if you have that option. But if you don't have that option, then you should update your TikTok Live Studio. And once you've updated, you will get the option. So simply go with multi-guest. And once you go with multi-guest, you can simply enter the game ID, and then you can go with who can apply, and then you can go with all viewers or followers only or creator team members only, and then you need to enter some description, and you can go with save. And once you've saved, you can click on go live, and you'll be able to go live with someone on TikTok live on PC. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.